For the first time since 2010, Bafana Bafana have punched their tickets to the FIFA World Cup taking place in 2026 in Canada, USA, as well as Mexico after finishing top of Group C following an impressive 3-0 victory over Rwanda in Bombela on Tuesday. Tonight, we are taking all your reactions. Let us know how it feels to be qualifying, of course, for the FIFA World Cup once again. Good evening and welcome to the biggest show in your world of champions. We absolutely cannot wait to hear all your comments following this weekend's exciting action of the Betway Premiership after the FIFA international break. Be part of our community by using that hashtag on social media, @SSFanbase.
I said after the first 5 games, it was our preseason. The next 5 games were going to be different, and you could see it. It wasn't the best of our performance, but we had to grind the results. There are difficult things to play against, as I said. Something is wrong, something is not okay, but we can just complain and then we lose the game. It's not first time to lose game like we lose this game.
Good Wonder Boy Makuma, the chance, yeah! Oh! Turn around, complete!
As usual, we've got a fantastic show lined up just for you. My name is Lindiwe Dube. Thank you all so much for joining us. We focus on the Betway Premiership because all the fixtures at the weekend produced respective winners. Marumo Gallants registering a first win since August following that 2-1 win over Esgama Gebula against Chippa United. They remain at the bottom of the Betway Premiership. Let's get straight into it. Skimmy, Tomakawena. Marumo Gallants khale basawini, batsogile no ba win against Chippa.
Yeah, if you look no central one, people must relax.
Yeah.
Marumo since he Pirates got the 9 August. Yeah, draw 4 games, you lose 3 games. Ogalebela Marumo, I know but today they play well and they win at home at Bloemfontein. But that's why I said when the big team are playing somewhere, Marumo must collect points. It's good for Marumo to collect points, but when it comes next year, it's going to be difficult for them because all the team will want to be on top 8 and want to be on number 1. But also for Chippa, that guy for Chippa, I think he can't go to PE. They leave him at airport because that biggest magistrate. I say, we not to go win. Since now to win the game. Draw lose, but for Marumo, indeed, good for Marumo for so long. They play well, the boys, and then we're happy for them. But we love you, Marumo. Keep doing well, but Ligue Lindi Arsa Letaba. Wabona Gabiano. Kichava Bumuta, Gorvano Retria. I want to say the Prelarsa Zever, but the home chance. But for Marumo, it's good for them. They draw, they win 2-1, and then I think they're number 10. They play well today. Bloemfontein are happy. I want the people for Bloemfontein to support Marumo. Everywhere they go, they must go and support them. Lindy, I can see we're in Bafana. Thank you, Lindy, for the love of the game. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Skimmy. Musa, I mean, Chippa United have only registered 1 win so far this season. Just talk us through what you saw today from them.
Another lose for Chippa. You can see that the frustration started to kick in. So the coach, he was frustrated. Because they are playing at the training, they are working very hard. But when it comes to games, then it's frustrating. So I mean, they are last in the league, 6 lose. So it's not good for Chippa United. They need to pull up their socks. The players need to play for the badge and be focused. Because of the goal that they scored, the lack of concentration in the last minute. That's why they considered that goal. So it's very hard for a coach to motivate the players. At the end of the day, there's no results. So yeah, it's very hard for them. But hopefully they will come back and they will soldier on. It's still early. They've got 6 points, and everyone in the bottom of is not safe there.
Yeah.
You know, just 2 games and then obviously they just escalate. But they need to be strong and try to win games.
Yeah. Umusa says it's still early, but we've got a handful of matches, Jabu, remaining before the AFCON break.
Yeah. No, I think it's not all lost for Chipa.
Yeah.
I concur with Umusa with him. If they can just fix their house, because also you cannot build a structure by dismissing so many coaches, Lindy, because that also plays a part. Kule issue Chipa United. I mean, if you are your coach will lose 2 games, 3 games, then you are Mkosha.
Yeah.
So structurally, you're collapsing the team as well. So Uchipa Mpengesi matches angafuna blame ama coaches, but nae as well. Agana patience, you know, because kule business of football, you need patience. Uti team we build the proper. Ungathathe ama shortcuts.
Yeah.
So I think if they can just fix, you know, their technical team, babe ne consistency when it comes to that particular part. I think the team can go somewhere. But then with Marumo Gallants, I'm quite happy that they got a win. Because we know that people from that particular province loves football. So at least now they've got Tisiwelele that is doing well. And they also have Marumo Gallants that is doing well. So all in all, I think it's good for the people of Bloemfontein, Sisland. Thank
you, Jabu. I mean, Vuyo, you have teams like Siwelele, Durban City, as well as Imakesi. These are fairly new teams in our league who are doing way better than Chipa United.
Hey, hold on, calm down, man.
And it's okay. You have every right when I'm a team like Siwelele, Imakesi, Durban City. I'm a team of league. But Bayenza, Basala, and than Chipa.
Definitely, Lindy. I've been watching them since Spuyile League. You know, look at Amatima Jangabo Makesi, Konamanji Makesi winile, and Udala Makesi Kayalab. Agunzi Malindi, because Imakesi they know the ground balance they done. So no coach Wakona na coach Makesi. Omatuka. I mean, he's got a good record. We know him from back in the game. And Durban City, I think I'm a player waga Kevin Nante. Some of them, they didn't come to the party, you know. Another thing, if you don't clear your lines in football, you're not going to win a game. Definitely. I always preach this thing, if form a team it's temporal, but consistent. You into a thing again. I'm not talking over among and I consistent in a body. You cannot expect to win a game. And the whole game there. Una player I want Peggy de la Payana the likes of Van Lumpana. Nkotli Kamalaki.
Yeah. Owe Kalef Oemakis.
Oemakis.
Yeah.
Makuru, yeah. Those are one of the players who are adding a good value who you know. And I also want to mention Nalompana Do, where Richard Pay, who number 35. What's his name? Hold on. Tabiso Ndi. Angithi bathi we Great Africa bathini slogans akhona. This no khona le slogans akhona this. Alo amfana Lindi ayuyadlala. Ama passes wakhe. Yeah, what is that be number 35, yeah. So ama team la abo Makesi njengoba boshila abo Open College. Believe me, basazoba inhlupho ku Betway Premiership.
BK, I mean, Etias Galaxy scored first against Makesi. A come from behind for Makesi. And when you look at the previous meetings, Makesi have enjoyed this fixture.
Yeah, hey. At least the bomagezi bazama le bona wa bona. So a re lebeletse like the ke ka lo bolela le ka chipa ka mholera ne itla ka gona. So ne ba santse ba no tšea no ba le o sa se re ke stress sa ko World Cup because ba busy ba bolela ka gore ba nyaka go ya kwa and I know ke ntwele gore o mone le ge ba dlala ka gore na dula ana le enga raganya batho ba kitimisa dibolo every now and then. So the only thing ba santse ba dire ke gore ne ba santse ba montshe go game ile ne ba santse ba tla ba tšea today they were low winner. So coming to Magezi ay bazama bona ka re sa tlo kopana le bona le rena mara a ona ta so mara at least congratulations to Magezi at least ka win ya bona ba khotale le bona gore ba kgone bona la gore ba ya kae so ke na ka collecta di point no wa sana na ka go boela morago
All right, we've got Elliot Wasara who's joining us via Zoom. Elliot Wasara, back-to-back wins for Magesi in the Betway Premiership as well as the Cup competition. Elliot, thoughts please on yesterday's performance? Elliot, we are... Please unmute. Hello?
Sorry, Lindy.
There we go.
Sorry, Lindy. Yeah. Good evening, guys in the studio, my colleagues Kamoko, Kachene, and the viewers at home. Yeah, Magezi FC. Yeah, the TS Galaxy, the major, you know. So, Ralamusha, TS Galaxy, the game, Natica Molimpopo. Hello, Magezi, they won't share what Chalaba won't tell, but I'm hungry for points. I will never 103 last season, now collected point last minutes. This is the right time to pick up points because, hey, the one who Makamo Betway, Fijiru Hulu the hour, Jimmy the hour, but Magezi is showering. They mean business. They really want to be in the Betway this season, you know, because, I mean, you know, Magezi, they went through difficult time last season. They played very well, to just go to the game, back to the game. They played very well. I mean, they showed, I mean, after Bali Diwa from TS Galaxy came back and equalized and then win the game, you know, it was difficult. I mean, TS Galaxy, they have experienced players that they give us tough time. You know, the goalkeeper is tall, is strong. You know, it was not easy to score against that guy, but we managed to score as the proper team. I'm happy about Magezi. You know, sorry. And let me just thank Bafana for qualifying. We are proud of them. They did marvelous thing. As South African, we are happy. And then lastly, Lindy Wick, Sarah Bosnianako, Kilmania, we told on the Pirates, but not. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Elliot. We are all still buzzing, of course, from that World Cup qualification. We are going to chat a bit more about Bafana a bit later on the show. Ukateni is also joining us via Zoom. Ukateni, Betway Premiership. We've just lost Ukateni. I'm pretty sure he will call back. We talk about Magesi and TS Galaxy. You have a TS Galaxy side that has been doing well, but then against Magesi, they seem to struggle with Togo.
Linda, coach the TS Galaxy, the on and off. So I think into Mela Zamuguta ilungise team Sugazi the coach alak. But mina Kakulumbo anje ukuthi ichizu number 4 ingadalanga go ligi because of ikudliwa kweDurban City Amazulu. So alala de Titwan Maduka sambongela ukuthi utholele 3 point uya phambili Lindi. So Magesi, good luck Bafethu.
All right, thank you so much, Putin Togo. We are going to chat a bit more about the Betway Premiership action when we return from the ad break. Do stay tuned to your World of Champions because there's so much to catch up on and reflect on that fantastic victory from Bafana against Rwanda in midweek. While you've been...
The top 8 is very good. I'm happy for him. Salute.
KG, we now have 5 teams on 15 points in the league. Level on 15 points after that victory at Amazulu weekend.
Yes, look, Sislindi, let me greet you and the viewers at home. Congratulations to Amazulu. the fact that you mentioned that the team now have 15 points, it tells you about the competitiveness of the league this season. It's very important for the league itself because it tells you that there's no easy teams in the league. As you look at Devon City, they started well in the season. They were doing so well. They're the surprise team for this season. For them to lose against Amazulu, it tells you that things are looking good in terms of going into the next couple of matches that we are going to have. Congratulations again to Coach Arthur Zwane. I think he's doing well. If you look at the team, there's a bit of improvement compared to last season.
Yeah.
And I believe they will definitely finish within the top 5.
Okay, Mayweather, Devon City or not?
Yeah, no. Greetings, South Lindy. Maybe go high. One thing by Kevin Hunt Juang again.
Yeah.
So Kevin Hunt, as someone told Raja, I believe I'll go building. So you're not a boy back. Then I just want to say congratulations to Arthur Zwane, Kawinia High. So yeah, that's right.
Okay, still on Devon City and their third loss of the season. Yes, Fox.
Linda, greetings to everyone. You're looking very beautiful. Bafana ya road.
Bafana
Kauvela. We are still on Amazulu, right?
Yes.
Amazulu, I'm happy. You see how Arthur Zwane is, the owner is giving him at least enough time to know the team, make your own selection, and then he opted for the players that he wanted. At least now we can see. Because if I remember very well, when the season started, and then Vosho, I'm referring to Musa. And then he said, Amazulu ifile. Amazulu ayifanga. Amazulu ayifanga, because you can see that they are still fighting for top 8. You see, you need to collect as soon as you can. Are we still together? Oh, yeah, we need to collect as soon as we can. Because if we don't collect now, we're going to have a big problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vox.
Hi, Lindy.
Yes,
No, Lindy, I was saying Amazulu, they win. It was a lucky win for them. It was a lucky win. But last minute. So the win is not convincing. I want to know supporter. Sometimes it's a man. Their win there, it's a lucky win for Amazulu. Come I tell you. Yes, a win is a win, but there it's a lucky win. Amazulu, just a free header, and then so City, congratulations to Arthur Zwane. He needs to work hard. He needs to work. The players now, they need to work. They need to find themselves going to top 4 once in Jigai 1, but go top 4. So I'm still saying good to know Bona.
Yeah.
It's not consistently win the 1-0, but to quarter. So this is Bamnanda, they need to work hard. Then by 7 about winning, by the principal winning, my than the case of Chiefs pair. Thank you.
Kateni is on Zoom and he's disagreeing with what Umusa is saying. Kateni, you face Chippa United next. I'll
umusa udlala kathi ayikho into eshiwo umusa ngilibikele lesibhido nababukele emakhaya no umusa uyena ushaya ukuthi team yakhe ayiwini nje usuthu liyacollecta usuthu liyawina even if uwine ngelakhi or uwine kahle whatever but it's about 3 points 3 points obalulekile because yenzeka igame nidlala ibe 50-50 but ekugcineni kube yinina enebhekakhe egcina nitholile. So if Ntoli win ilakhi yenu le thatharu ilelu 3 point nihambe niyoprepare impesheni landelayo emva kwaloko nishaya abantu sithina kuyimanje thina hamba kancane but ugade because ngisho imarathon abantu abawina imarathon abagijima efront bayisanda kuqala imarathon bagijima emuva but mase ziyofinish bonke abama-gold medal baqhamuka sebeqhama ngasekugcineni. So watch the space. Abalandeli bosuthu bathi usuthu lilwe liligi kulo nyaka abalandeli bos bathi mina ngithi sifeni nesilwe isuku nje lukhona usuthi naye umusa lo mase bejetbek sizomshaya simbhala umlomo umusa umusa wathi unenkinga nabalandeli bamazulu sizomshaya simbhala umlomo umusa bathi-ke siyabonga abantu base-KZN bebekhona izolo bafikile siyabonga kakhulu badlala amathima ase-KZN baqhubeke beze bagrawunini because i-KZN yaziwa njengabantu abathanda i-football abalandeli bebhola base-KZN kuthiwa abathanda ibhola kuthiwa bayawahamba amagrawundi angabi empty-ke amagrawundi ase-KZN because if empty which means lento eshiwo kuthiwa abantu base-KZN bathanda ibhola ayikho sibonga kakhulu kwabantu baka-Betway lento abayenzile ukuthi barecognize abalandeli babe nento etholwa abalandeli abaxhasi bethu i-Betway bathulela isigqoko siyabonga sabalandeli ukuthi ekugcineni khona umuntu osirecognizayo as ama-fans so there is something like that naye ekugcineni sama-fans bekukuhle Moses Mabhida abantu bebehlobile siyazi-ke vele wena isikhathi ukuthi abantu bakwaZulu bayakwazi ukuvunula kamnandi so abekho abalandeli abobhuti abalandeli bamazulu ukugqoka kahle egrawundini because thina sabantu bakwaZulu siyakwazi ukubhinqa siyakwazi ukuvunula into yethu le Lindi ngiyabonga kakhulu ngicela abantu base-KZN ngikhuluma noMahayi ngicela uqoqa abantu base-KZN bazogcwala igrawundi makudlala usuku bonke abantu abathanda ibhola bagcwale makudlala usuku noma kugcwala amathima ase-KZN ngiyabonga kakhulu Lindi usuku usazoshaya abantu umusa akavale la
Siyabonga Katsheni, that hashtag once again on social media is fan based. Yes.
If you talk of dangerous teams,
yeah.
we talk of teams that are at the bottom. They are very dangerous. Then I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Magesi. In most teams, there is no consistency. Honestly speaking, Lindy, consistency is the hallmark of the unimaginative. So, let me switch to Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana played well and will, but there is something that I don't understand there. And don't be surprised if Hugo Bruce doesn't make it to the World Cup. People don't know that they don't know. You know what? There is an internal institutional sabotage in the Bafana Bafana camp. Even me. So, you will tell me one day when Hugo Bruce doesn't make it to the FIFA World Cup, because I know very well that if a good coach with strategic improvement plans, and if his technical team is around here, there will be an internal institutional sabotage, believe in me. Thank you.
Okay, we are of course gonna focus on Bafana Bafana after the break. Another result, of course, was that victory for Orbit College, the second win this season. Monapule Saline getting his first goal back with Orbit College. They kicked off the action on Friday. A victory for Orbit College, Skimmy?
Thank you. Before I pay, over now, George Orago Orbit College, Salino Bile. Madia Mochia Saleda.
Yes.
Yeah, Barbatia saying
once and always.
But there's not a Samarata. Over no Fana Pile Salona go Pirates. And number 10 play well and score for Obit. Over Obit and the good player hole. You know, Babanyan, but Rafile Salena were posted and over posted. They win away. It's good for Obit. And no galibela Obit in December. Ogara Kabafanya na part. Renovara Chubara Barastembe team. But for Sali, we still have my man. That sign you don't throw away. That sign you go Pilolindi. Sign Ega Mumadine. Obona Ladia, Usanuya, once you lazy. But I want to up our pirate tomorrow. But for Obit, they must keep working hard. Pascal Bella Sale, never Bella Sanel one did. But they may jump for another Paul. Saline as a Naraganti Alwan. They must work as a team, play as a team, win as a team. But thank you, Obit, keep collecting the points when team have we all plan like Salipisi somewhere.
Yes, we.
Hello. Oh, Lindy, can I add to we came here? Orbit College tonight, and yeah. Lindy, you're gonna in Locos, Richards Bay.
Yes.
In Richards Bay, they didn't come to the party at all. I was watching that game. Usale ngukoride. The problem here, Richards Bay. They didn't. This is Usabo besingekho right because of iyakora ilokhuza usaling baphinde nabo bakora i-opponent. So and the no goalkeeper wabo ubasizile lo lokhuza goalkeeper we Richards Bay uzamile. But then Richards Bay, they didn't come to the party. They didn't even clear their lines. You know, if you don't clear your lines in football, and if ispine sakho singekho right kungahlangani bekungahlangani nje ku Richards Bay. So in Richards Bay, they didn't come to the party. That's why they lost that game. You know, consistent emapalini, it's very, very important. So they are not consistent. You cannot win the game if you are not consistent. You create a baller, but you don't score. I'm failing to understand. I'm a player. Another thing that I don't understand in my play. In the box, when you get in the box, it's your final third. You don't need too many touches in the box. If a defender there's a gap that is open, take your target, take your chances. So I've seen a goal like there's a goal even in Pegile, El Coro Monyumfano Jala we cleared Africa. Luamfana Luana scored a beautiful goal out of the box. So our players wait. They don't want to take their chances. Umuntu get a box in a dribble defender too before he score. Look at goalie Gamboka's before. Take your chances, my officer and no goalkeeper. You don't need to go to Uze Ungene boxing. No. Take your chances. Don't tell me about to prison. We're not talking to prison now. Now we're talking the club, the game is Kulmangai. Take one step at a time, Baba. Don't rush. Thank you.
Thank you, Vuyo. A third win for Orbit College and a sixth defeat for Richards Bay. Just 1 point separating these sides on the Betway Premiership log standings. So, Bashil, uyakubuka Richards Bay. Bafana, okay, tlabuka Bafana after break.
Athi ngesingabukelanga amagame yeah, but ke igame yelona ye Richards Bay ne Orbit College bemnandi kakhulu. I was very excited to see Usaling Kakora, even though kune ma questions nyana ngebhola lakhe ukuthi ngathi well offside and stuff, but it's a goal. A win, it's a win. A win, it's a win. We can't blame him. I'm happy kumbona right,
yeah,
because I think psychologically the boy was not okay, and for such a talent to go down, Sislindi, a country in Siyabadinga abantu abafana nabo Saling ngoba bathatha country forward football wise. To be honest, the game was just supposed to be a game a draw. I watched that game. Richards Bay idlale ngama chance nayo Orbit College didn't do that well. But then they were fortunate. I think Richards Bay went to sleep. Defense yabo. Usaling was found there, Gazmelega won, and he converted that ball. Kwaba 2-1 score, and the game was over. So I'm happy with the Orbit College played, and they collected 3 points. I always say teams that are coming from your second division should actually do well. Mabafika ku PSL. The issue with they will just come to the PSL badlale 1 season and go out. So all in all, we are saying congratulations to Pochiso, which is a coach here Orbit College. Thanks, Cindy.
All right, thank you so much, Jabu.
The Pirates lost. Right.
We're gonna go for a quick ad break. When we return, we finally chat all things Bafana and yeah.
Asimutholo wajaya wabona ubelieve go building wabona so yena utabuya back. Then I just want to say congratulations to Arthur's one ka win ya high wabona so yeah taba right
Okay, still on David City and their third loss of the season. Yes, Vox.
Linda, greetings to everyone. You're looking very beautiful. Bafana ya road.
I'm Tolis Mapanga. I like to appreciate all those people that come here at Mbombela Stadium. We're happy that in South Africa we qualified and we go today. Qualified! We're happy we're qualified. I'm really happy that South Africa qualified. A lot of people in Africa and the Europeans have been saying South Africa have been handed their chances. This time our chances wasn't handed to us. We earned it the rightful way and we qualified, we worked hard. Thank you boys, thank you to the coach. Thank you very much.
I'm very much happy, man. Alpha and Tsonga in South Africa. I'm happy. I already bought my ticket. We're going there. World Cup. Happy.
First of all, I would like to thank for the supporters which came in numbers to support South Africa. We are here at Mbombela. We are at home. We qualify to FIFA 2026 at Mbombela. Thank you very much to support
I'm very happy because we get the crucial pins we were looking for. I was very, very happy with my colleagues, my friends here in Mbombela Stadium. So now, from now, we're starting preparing for the sweet victory. Preparing for the passports. We are going to 20. World Cup. We are going there. Now we are very happy. We got 3 points for Bafana for World Cup. Very happy, very happy. For that qualifying for World Cup 2026.
Go! We are coming there 2026 FIFA World Cup. We are happy Bafana have qualified. Rita Maya Leona. Bafana Rita Maya Leona.
Because Bafana are one of 9 African teams who will be on the global stage next year, kicking off on the 11th of June up until the 19th of July. Frank, what a journey it's been. Just talk me through how it feels to be back on that global stage.
Hey, happy days are back. Ya ukuyalena ku World Cup sisilinde kushinto enkulu siwumzansi. Ya siyabonga sibonge kumkhulu Mr Hugo Bros. Yeah, for me, umadala, even though mayisaqale safika kukhona besilapha simngabaza khona. Basho ukuthi isitori sakhe yasazi. Iphushile lenkuzi malanga. Yasithatha yasibeka endaweni. Futhi kwi-age akakuyo I'm happy ukuthi uzo retire after i-World Cup. For me, mangicheke age yakhe. Uzo after World Cup uyospenda isikhathi nabazukulu. So siwumzansi. Hayi si happy kakhulu ukuya lapha ya. Ukuthi kuyokwenzekalani phambili siyobona masifika. Kodwa iqiniso lithi siyakhona lapha. Bengelula amaqembu amaningi ebebecatsha amaqembu amaningi kade ecatshwa ukuthi isimpula azoqualify. Aselempini. Yeah, aselempini ziyabuya ziyakhala ziyamboro. But anyway ngayisho mzanza sihlanganele bafethu. Ibhakaniya yes but mase sikhuluma ngebafana kufanele sicacise ukuthi asikhulume like ngama individual sesothu aphula no matter i-team yakho akusilethwanga player ithatha uyibeke esayidini leyo ya ayikho indaba yokuthi i-Pirates i-Chiefs cha yizwe lesikhuluma ngalo yizwe eliyodlala i-World Cup so sihappy kakhulu sikumzansi futhi siyamthemba uHugo Bros sithathe wasifaka endaweni but ishilo sakusaseka.
Goals from Talente Mbatha, Oswin Apollos as well as Adrian Makopa ensured that we finished top of Group C. Tashili, I mean, how would you describe Jenny Arona for the qualifications? Bari deducted points, Zimbabwe are frustrated.
What's money with you, Mulindo always? Ntongolo mweta tola pele linti. Rea USA World Cup linti. Bafana. Arena kia USA. Arenga offer South Africa. Are been together. Bafana ibereki. Lindi, it's not easy. Teleri tamele bafana. You go complain. You go Bruce. Wetang. You go Bruce. Ntongolo mwe Lindi. Ibata hotel loli patient. Bafana. The whole country of South Africa. Arkopaning Rea World Cup Rea World Cup Lindi. Bafana siavena bafana siawina talula reliteng bafana folona Arieng USA World Cup Rea Leboga Lindi.
Yes, Mudau. Bronze last time at AFCON, we've got AFCON coming up and then we've got a World Cup. We are amongst the greatest now on the continent, aren't we?
Yeah, indeed.
Back where we belong.
Yeah, indeed. If you remember very well, I'm sure it took us 16 years to qualify for World Cup. And South Africa, normally, people, they were just telling us, hey, you of South Africa, if you don't host, you don't participate in the tournament. But this coach, Lindy, when he arrived here in South Africa, everyone, they write him off, even the media, everyone. So the supporters were not going to the stadium. But this coach, he stood his ground. He never get intimidated by the fans, by the teams, by the club chairmen and the media. So he picked the players that he see them their need to play for Bafana. And Lindy, this thing for Bafana qualifying for for World Cup is going to change a lot of players' lives. Also, you, Lindy, the presenter, your life is going to be changed because you guys you are going to the America. So everyone, even as supporters, our lives will change because maybe somebody can take out some of the supporters to go and watch Bafana. So Lindy, let's support our team of Bafana, even though the players are coming from Sundown or Paris. Let's support our Bafana because when they are there, they represent their team, nation. So let's be rally behind them, Lindy. So well done for Bafana and wish them good luck on December for African Nation Cup.
With him, I saw a very interesting post shared by Usne Temba Mbata. She said the PSL is going to be very exciting in the next few months because all these players are now fighting for that World Cup spot.
Yeah, Lindy, you're right, Lindy, because even if you look at the starting 11, Bafana, most of the players that were there at the PSL. So we into enhle ukuthi ugo Bros athathe kakhulu lapha ku PSL kwenza ukuthi ileague ibe competitive. So nami ngikhosi ukuthi Bafana ayiye phambili ingafiki icheche iphume lapha yana ikhona ukufika nale kuma knockout stage Lindy. Siyabonga ile Bafana.
Siyabonga Utimso. Ukhuluma kuyo. Tebogo sizobanye. I mean, like Utimso Asho, 31 out of 40 of that Bafana men's squad are locally based players.
Yeah, good evening, Oslinde and the viewers at home. It was not an easy road. If you check how we played with Zimbabwe, it was tough. I had to go to the mountain that Makopa's Cliff to pray. I was fasting there and singing one way until I came back. We won. All road is leading to the USA Siabangena, like Coalition at Valela, USA and they have taken in Kwasu. Let's support Bafana. Yes, Sean. Thank you.
Makabo is joining us via Zoom. I mean, we've joined the likes of the Atlas Lions, Ghana also through to the World Cup. You've got Mo Salah's Egypt side. Makabo, how are you feeling?
Hi family, how are you?
What's
up? Aslindi, kesati ibile ke happy, kesati kalbangalor Pirates lose gender. I'm happy Bafana qualified for World Cup.
Yeah. And then game was wrong on Tuesday against one.
No, it was not an easy game. Remember, o tsere be really busy re tshwere di-calculator really busy re a farta qualifier or re ka se qualify na, but then modimo a re fa mosa. And then, okay, let me give credit to Mahopa. Okare wa lebella tsela ya rena Mahopa batho ba bantši ne ba mo doubta, but then Hugo Bruce I believe mo yena, and then Mahopa a re fa a brace assist ke mo lo re kgonne go bona gore we must believe in our coach. Look over Cup kwale Auslindi, I'm telling you this cup is over ya rona. So another thing kore our coach at the Chiefs Chabalala. Even if Asum but then that few minutes, I was so happy because if you let the boy that confidence, the courage, the next time the boy Utobereka so hard. So I was very happy. I was Lindy. And then I'm not alone here. I'm with R37.
Yeah.
Hello, family.
Hello, Mevin.
How are you? We're happy as my father supporter. Lindy, let me greet all those guys in the studio and the viewers at home. We're South African. No matter we don't have a magazine play at Bafana, we are supporting Bafana. Those who say Bafana, I support it. How about you let me support the United support the Jimmy, what Jabu, what Mayweather, what Fox, what Makabu, what Mutau, it's not about Bafana.
Thank you so much, Mevin. Quinda, I mean, what does this moment mean for you, Quinda?
For Linda, I just want to say, for together, we must be together always, all the time. So when I say Bafana, especially me, I can go for Home Affairs to apply for the visa, to apply for the to support Bafana. No matter what, I support Bafana. No matter what, kiri. We don't care. Together, okay, we can achieve more. So, especially for this time, Orlando Pirates player, they are dominating. I'm talking about Apollos. I'm talking about Nkota. I'm talking about Nkota. They do Makopa. Yes, I'm so happy. No fear of favor. You see, we go to apply for it. Every time we're gonna go June, we're gonna go for the site. No fear of favor. I'm the coach trainer.
All right. I mean, we also had to rely on Nigeria, to somewhat do us a favor.
Sislindi, what I can say is good. It's good for Bafana to qualify. I like the integration of fans, and I love the passion because the Zimbabwe game brought a lot of frustration to us as a country. And then going to Rwanda game, the fans came in numbers. It was exciting. We also salute for that. It's great. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Lindy, the mates here. It is confirmed and authorized. Indeed, Bafana is qualified for the World Cup. But allow me, Lindy, to recap, where we started. When Coach Bruce was hired for this duty, it brought a lot of questions to say, where actually are we heading to? When he announced his vision and the mission for Bafana. A lot of our supporters started questioning to say, Otata Bantwana, you're taking the small boys and they don't have experience. But he knew what he was doing. You look at where we started and where we are today. Definitely when we started, there was no jubilation. Why? Because misunderstanding the vision. But towards the middle of these missions and the plans, really a lot of our supporters started to sing a different tune to say, but Madala now is bringing what we have been missing for all these years. Now, where it all started, this that we are seeing, it's because of the teams that are partaking at PSL. Should all these other teams fail to can give or produce players who can represent the country, definitely that will be our downfall. As we speak, some of Sundowns players like your Adams and Bessadine, they are no longer players, and these are players whom we are looking forward to say you definitely represent us on the other side of the ocean. But are they gonna go while Sundowns is playing the same way that it's doing? Someone is saying today, why can't they leave Sundowns so that they can play on the other side? Now, there's a lot that is being said, but it is confirmed Bafana Bafana is going on the other side. Now is another time where a new plan has to be executed to say, how do we approach the African Cup of Nations? That will definitely give a shape where we are actually heading to. All in all, South Africa, let us unite. Every Friday, we are going to address the same way as our host, Lindy, is stressing. I'm one of those who say, Bafana, definitely, as you are saying, you said it, my brother, that visas are part of ours in our pockets. Thank you so much.
And also, a massive credit to the DSTV Diski Challenge. As Deboko is saying, these players, these youngsters have been playing in the Diski Challenge and they could possibly be playing in the World Cup next year, Skim.
Thank you. Now, seconds. Nagalwadi supporters all 9 provinces. Thank you, supporters. We start to Bafana is the World Cup. Thank you. Did you keep a little party? Since we number 12 men. Don't leave the number 12 men behind. Number 12 men behind is the one who sing for them to score. And then let's stop it and story. Hey, Bafana Pirates. It's not Pirates. It's National Africa.
Okay, thank you, Skimmy. It goes without saying, our fan moment of the week goes to the 2026 World Cup participants, South Africa. Bafana Kaufela.
Asikho isikhathi esingafiki. Awukho umzuzu ongafiki. Angithi Nigeria nayidlala ngesikhathi esiwani. Akunamuntu enzele omunye ifike.
Daniel, it's not really a favor, is it though? Because Nigeria also have to win themselves.
In fact, my name is Brighton Nsongo Oluwafemi, officially.
I want to say a repeat of what happened on Friday. South Africa, Rwanda 0-0. Super Eagles 2, Benin Republic 0.
Next stage down now.
Has scored long-range goals for South Africa before he does it again!
Place at the back pass.
Nigeria. It's an escape in here. The other way over to the no second.
It's got us back in the net. Osimhen with the hat-trick. Scored early in the first half, scores early in the second.
And then the third. Felix Makopa.
Referee Amin Mohamed Amar. From each of Spurs, the final whistle. Nigeria have done what they needed to do.
The long wait is over. Bafana are going to the World Cup next year.
What a moment. History in the making as Bafana return to the global showpiece. And as Skimmy was saying in studio, from Bombela to Durban to Bloemfontein, the fans have truly showed up, and we are hoping that it continues throughout the season, throughout the tournaments. Starting with AFCON, Jabu, we speak about the fans, whether Abantu Bayaye, Africa or Amafen Parks, we just need to show up for our team.
Yeah, no, Mina, I was happy to see the supporters, Sislindi, from all the provinces, by the way, supporting the coach, supporting the boys. I'm happy that we have qualified. However, the issue of the 3 points dog still needs to be investigated. We can't leave that lying, Sislindi. I think ISAFA needs to come back to us. Because this needs to stop. Whoever ever involved in 3 points, honestly speaking, melega discipline somehow. But all in all, Sislindi, we are happy that we have qualified, and we are saying we are ready to go to USA. Of course, our passport, our visa, we are going there. Thanks, Sislindi.
All right, thank you all so much for joining us for another thrilling edition of SS Fanbase as we continue to celebrate and reflect the FIFA